Good afternoon, all. This is my style tile for the site that I'll be doing for my final project. The site is going to be called Furry Friends Sitting Service. You see the logo up in the upper left. Here on the full screen, you see I've got it broken down by typography, what the header 1 would look like, header 2, regular text, and link. All those have the font being used, the sizes, and the appropriate colors. On the bottom left, you've got the buttons, the sample button, and again the sample submit button, so you can see the rollover there, and the footer at the bottom. Working our way up the right side, I've got a thumbnail image and a larger image that would be used on the site, and I've got all the possible colors. So as we slowly transition down to the mobile version, you can see got a little glitch here. Still having trouble working that one out, but you can see how things change for the colors. They shift. Also the header, the title shifts, and then eventually when we get down to a lower level, it's going to shift down. The logo is going to get a little bit larger. You're still looking at the 50-50 shift, and then as we finally break down, we finally get into the true mobile version, even to the point where if it's a small enough screen that the logo will actually disappear. So that's it in a nutshell. Look forward to hearing your comments. Still have a couple of things to work out, but one thing in my experience doing the web, style tiles seem to be the way to go. So thanks and have a good day.